Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the hooded Vista jacket by Carhartt WIP in the grey colourway. These retail for £190 here in the UK, but I picked these up used for £65 from Depop, which I think was a steal, but we're not here to know where I got it from, so let's get right into the hoodie. The hooded Vista jacket is a winter version of the Nelson jacket. It's made from 100% 13-ounce heavyweight unbrushed cotton jersey, which has been pigment overdyed for a more textured distressed look. However, the Vista features a diamond quilted lining, even on its hood, plus an internal left chest pocket made out of corduroy. The classic fleece-lined kangaroo pockets remain. It also boasts a full zip, with even the zippers and the square label having a faded effect. It has a looser and what Carhartt calls the balloon fit, with drop shoulders, while the ribbed cuffs and hem brings it all together for a more snug true fit. I love that it's relaxed enough to fit a mid-layer like this APC overshirt when needed. Yes, the mildly distract overdyed look drew me to the hoodie, but the durable construction, soft and warm fabrics ensure I stay cozy during cooler nights. I'm wearing a size medium, I'm 6'1", weighing around 88 kilograms, which is about £195 if that helps. Also, my jeans are the APC Fairfax straight jeans, and I think I might drop a review on them too. Let me know what you think of these. 2025, I'm really trying to step up my style, go out my comfort zone. Thanks for watching, drop a like and comment Jersey to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. I've never bought anything from Carhartt before. Let me know if there's any other pieces you think I should pick up. Apart from that, have a good day.